Hi there, welcome back to Spring into Math 7. I'm Mrs. Campbell, and today we're going to be talking about how to find the heights of cylinders when we're given volume. Let's jump in. All right, so sometimes when you're working on a problem, you will know or you'll be given the volume of a cylinder and you won't be given the height of it. So that's what this lesson is about. Okay, I want you to think about a water tower that is cylindrical in shape. So it's a cylinder basically. Now we might know, let me highlight this, how much volume the tank will hold, how much goes into it, but we may not know the height of it or how tall it is. So when this happens, we can just use our formula and we can solve looking at the missing height of the cylinder. We're just gonna plug in what we know. Here's an example. Okay, a cylinder with a radius of 2 inches has a volume of 125.6 cubic inches. What is the height of the cylinder? All right, so this problem is asking us to solve for the height of the cylinder. Okay, now the problem tells us the volume and the radius, so all we have to do is put these things, the things that we know, into the formula and then solve for h, for height. V equals pi r squared h. We know the volume, so it's 125.6 equals pi 2 squared and h. And now we have 125.6 equals 4 pi h. And now we have 125.6 equals 12.56 h. We're looking for h, so we're going to divide both sides by 12.56. We get 125.6 divided by 12.6 equals h, which gives us 10 inches. So the height of the cylinder is 10 inches. Okay, so basically what we did is we just used the volume formula to solve for h, okay? Now we can check our work by putting, let me highlight this for you. It's a really good idea to check your work, and the way that you do that is by putting the number in for the height and then solve for volume and check your number to make sure that it's exactly the same as what the problem asked you in the first place. So we should get a volume of 125.6 cubic inches. So now I'm gonna plug in what I know for h just to check and make sure it's right. So V equals pi r squared h. I'm plugging in my h, what I now think is 10. And I get V equals pi 2 squared times 10, which equals pi 4 times 10, which gives us 40 times pi, which gives us 125.6 inches cubed. So guess what, everyone? Our calculation was correct. All right, guys, that just about does it for another quick lesson. We'll see you next time.